B, C, B, channel B, C, B, channel.
Hey there, building construction buddies. Today, we're talking about the game-changing world of prefabrication and modular construction. Imagine building faster, smarter, and more cost-efficiently. In this episode, we'll explore how off-site manufacturing can revolutionize construction, tackle labor issues, reduce waste, and push the boundaries of design. First off, what exactly is prefabrication and modular construction? Well, prefabrication involves manufacturing building components off-site in a controlled factory environment. Once completed, these components are transported to the construction site for assembly. With modular construction, entire sections of buildings, like rooms or apartments, are made in the factory and then stacked or arranged on site. Think of it like assembling Lego blocks, but for real buildings. Let's talk about why this method is so popular. One major benefit is speed. Since the components are built in a factory, construction and on-site preparation happen at the same time. A report from McKinsey & Company shows that modular construction can speed up project timelines by 20% to 50%. It also reduces labor costs by as much as 30% and can cut overall project costs by 10 to 20%. Because everything is built in a controlled environment, you also get better quality control and reduced material waste by as much as 70% in some cases. According to the National Institute of Building Sciences, modular construction has helped reduce material waste and environmental impact, with over 80% of waste in traditional construction projects being eliminated in modular processes. Now, how does prefabrication impact labor? For one, it minimizes the need for highly specialized on-site labor. In a time when labor shortages are a significant issue in construction, modular methods offer a solution by using more automation and requiring fewer workers on site. Because the environment is controlled, the likelihood of weather delays is minimal, so your workers can focus on quality work rather than rushing to beat the rain. This method also improves worker safety. A controlled, factory environment is far safer than an unpredictable construction site. Statistics show that accidents on construction sites are reduced by as much as 80% with prefabrication. Like everything, modular construction has its challenges. One issue is the upfront cost of setting up a prefabrication system or factory. While it saves money in the long term, it can be an expensive initial investment. Additionally, transporting large modules to the construction site can be logistically difficult, especially if the site is in a remote location. According to a study by the World Economic Forum, transportation costs can eat up 5 to 10% of the total savings made from modular construction. There's also limited flexibility once a module is built. Making changes after assembly can be costly and complex. Is prefabrication and modular construction effective? The short answer? Yes, it's highly effective. But it depends on the project. For instance, it's especially beneficial for projects like hotels, apartments, hospitals, and schools where repetition and standardization are key. In fact, in the UK, over 40% of new hotels are being built using modular construction. Another example is in the healthcare sector. Hospitals using prefabricated modules for operating rooms or intensive care units can reduce construction time from years to months, something incredibly important in emergencies or pandemics. So, what's next for modular construction? Well, we're seeing exciting innovations, like the integration of smart building technologies. Some companies are using 3D printing to create prefabricated building components, offering more design flexibility and faster production times. Look out for robotic manufacturing in prefabrication factories. These robots can help with precision cutting, assembly, and even transportation, reducing human error and speeding up production. Additionally, advances in sustainable materials are transforming modular construction. For example, some companies are using recycled steel or even cross-laminated timber, CLT, which is not only eco-friendly but also incredibly strong. Speaking of sustainability, prefabrication is a big step forward for green construction. Since materials are ordered and used with precision, there's significantly less waste. Plus, building in a controlled environment means better energy efficiency and reduced carbon emissions. According to the Modular Building Institute, prefabricated buildings have 30% lower energy consumption compared to traditionally built structures. Now, if you're thinking about incorporating modular construction into your next project, here are a few pro tips to keep in mind. Plan early, because modular construction requires precise planning. It's crucial to get your design and engineering team involved early. Changes later in the process can be expensive. Choose the right site. Make sure your site is easily accessible for large transports. Consider road access, space for cranes, and storage for modules. Work with skilled manufacturers. Not all modular factories are created equal. Make sure you partner with manufacturers that have experience in producing high-quality modules for your type of project. So, building construction buddies, prefabrication and modular construction might just be the future of building. From reducing costs and speeding up construction times to improving worker safety and sustainability, it's clear that this approach is a powerful tool in the modern construction industry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips and insights from the construction world. Let's keep building better, smarter, and faster.